guys, so I'm back with these cool overlapping pattern nails. For this design I use polishes from the new Opi Muse of Milan collection. So sorry if I butcher some of the Italian in this video. I hope you enjoy. So I started off with painting my nails with Have Your Panettone and Eat It Too, which is a lovely soft orange. Did 2 coats for that. And then with my Moyu London, it's Holy Shapes. I think it's the O1 plate. I stamped this cool pattern in black. And then I went in with Galleria Vittorio Violet. I hope I said that right. Which is a lovely shimmery purple. It's got like an iridescent shimmer to it. It's gorgeous. And then I went in with Adios Bad Nails, Ciao Great Nails, with just filling in more of the little squares. And then I did the middle square with Falling from Milan, which is this gorgeous shimmery bronzy. Oh, I just love it. It's gorgeous. And then I painted another square with Duomo Day's Isola Nights, which is this nice dark blue. And then in the bottom corner, I painted with Drama at La Scala, which is a dusty dark blue. And with that same polish, I just filled in the top corner. And then with my Italians, a little rusty, which is this rusty red, orangey red, I filled in the opposite corners. So hopefully all of these, I'm leaving some of the spaces in the middle, look like they're overlapping on that orange base. And then with a sponge and some glossy top coat, I'm just creating a sticky base on my riddle, middle and ring finger. Just dabbing out my nail. And then stamped on that decal, and I did that twice. And here I'm just going in with a cuticle tool, pushing off the polish I don't need. And then once I was happy with that, I went in with my brush and acetone and tried cleaning up my cuticles. But that blue did stain my cuticles, so be careful with it when you paint your nails. So for my index and pinky fingers, I applied some liquid latex because I'm going to be creating a gradient at the tip. So here I'm going in with Have Your Panettone and Eat It, and just a shimmer, a little bit of Falling from Milan. And I just dabbed that at the tip of my nail, try to create a gradient. Just a little soft shimmer at the tip. You can't see it very well here, but it looks really nice in real life. And once I was finished futzing around, I peeled off my liquid latex. And then finally I applied a smudge resistant top coat to all of my nails. And there you go, these cool like overlapping pattern nails, they're so cool. Very fashionista. And I love the index and pinky fingers. The gradient is just perfect for fall, and I'd definitely wear it on my real nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.